Welcome back. Today, we have an exciting tutorial that will take your data manipulation skills to the next level. We all know that working with large amounts of data can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to dealing with the text that needs to be organized into separate columns. But don't worry, because in this video, I am going to show you how to split text into the different columns using the power of Microsoft Excel. Have you ever received a spreadsheet with a single column containing data that should be separated into multiple columns? Perhaps it's a list of names, addresses, or even product information. Manually extracting this data can be a time-consuming task, but luckily, Excel has a built-in feature that can do the job for you in a matter of seconds. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the simple steps to split text into the different columns using the text to columns feature in Excel. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this technique will save you valuable time and efforts. I will start by exploring the various options available within the text to columns feature. Step number 1 is select the cell or column that contains the text you want to split. Then select the data and to click on the text to columns. In the Convert Text to Columns wizard, select Delimited and click on Next. Select the delimiters for your data. For example, comma and space. You can see a preview of your data in the data preview window. Then click on the next button. Select the destination in your worksheet, which is where you want to split the data to appear. And click on the finish button. Throughout this video, we will be working with the practical examples, ensuring that you gain a comprehensive understanding of the process. By the end, you will be able to apply these techniques to your own datasets, streamlining your workflow and boosting your productivity.